Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block people on Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, give your login details and sign in. Now, find the people you want to block from the search bar, or you can simply find them from the old conversations. Open the conversation, then tap on their profile at the top of your screen. Now all you have to do is scroll down, and under privacy and support you can see options like read receipts, restrict, block and report. All you have to do is select block, block messages and calls. Now select block, and guys, that's it. That's how you block people on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.